Welcome to Lesson 9. In this lesson, you will learn how to rehearse and record slideshows. You will also learn alternative presentation options, such as creating a video of your presentation, as well as broadcasting your presentation to remote audiences. Finally, you will learn how to create handouts and how to create custom slides. Let's start with the Rehearse Timings option. First, I need to click on the Slideshow tab. This is not to show my slideshow, but rather to rehearse my timings. Let's click on the Rehearse Timings button. What this will do is while you're speaking, it is recording the time it is taking for you to speak. And as you can see in the top left-hand corner, there's a little toolbar with the number of seconds. In order to progress to the next slide, you need to click on the Next button, or alternatively use your arrow key on your keyboard, your right arrow key. As you see, the clock resets and it starts timing on the second slide. If you need to have a break, you can click on Pause. And once you've returned, you can just resume your recording. If you need to re-record on a slide, you can reset the clock by clicking on the Repeat button. And as you can see, it sets the clock back to 0 and you can resume recording. Once you've finished recording on all your slides, you push Escape to return to your PowerPoint presentation. Let's push Escape. As you can see, it gives you the total time for the slideshow as well as timings for individual slides. If I'm happy with that, I need to click on Yes. As you can see, if there are timings present, it will show you the time it took to record that particular slide underneath here. You can also record a slideshow so people can view the slideshow on their own. Let's have a look on how to do that. In the Slideshow tab, we have Record Slideshow. You have two options, either to start from the current slide or if you're just starting to record from the beginning. Let's select the first one. I'm going to choose to keep my slide timings as well as my narrations. Narrations is when I've recorded myself using a mic. Let's start recording. I would now be speaking on my mic and it will be giving me times for each individual slide. So make sure you speak clearly into your microphone. And as per usual, you just click on Next or use your right arrow to progress through the slides. Once finished, push Escape, and it will return you into Slide Sorter View. If there are recordings, you will see a little speaker in the right-hand corner of each slide. This means that there is narration on the slide. If I wish to remove it or change it, I go back to Record Slideshow and click on Clear, and it will allow me to clear on all or current slides my timing and my narration. The other options would be to create a video or a live broadcast on the web. I'm just going to show you where you would broadcast a slideshow. This would be in your Slideshow tab in Broadcast Slideshow. Once ready, we would click on Start Broadcast. This would provide me with a link. This link I can choose to email to my audience, and once they click on it, it will be broadcast live on the web. You would need an internet connection as well as your audience needing an internet connection. Let's cancel there. Instead, let's create a video. In order to create a video, we click on the File tab to go to the Backstage view, Save and Send, and it allows me to create a video over here. There are two options I need to look at here. One, the size and quality. The size and quality will depend on how you're going to present your video. Is it on computer or on the internet? Let's choose internet for this example. The next thing you choose is your timings and narrations. Are you going to use your recorded narrations and timings, or don't use recorded timings and narrations? If you do choose don't use recorded timings and narrations, you need to decide on the seconds to spend on each slide. Once you've created this, we click on Create Video. And all we need to do is save it, and we're ready to send it off to our audience. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to create custom slides. You can tailor your presentation for different audiences. For example, more than one group. One group may have less time, and the other group may have different needs and expectations. Let's have a look on how to do that. We're going to create a custom slideshow. Let's click Custom Shows. We create a new custom show and we need to give it a name. This particular group has less time, so I'm going to make a shortened version of this presentation. You select your slide and add. Once you've put all your slides in your custom show, you click on OK. You can click on Show to start viewing your slides immediately, or click on Close. Once you've done this and you need to show the shorter version, you would open the existing Customer Service Model presentation and go to Custom Slideshow, and it will appear in your list. There's shorter version over there. It may help to give your audience a handout, particularly if you're not presenting live to an audience. In order to do this, we need to go to File and Print. And let's change the page layout option. And as you can see, all our options for handouts are over here. I like the 3 slides option because it gives you space to make your own notes. PowerPoint gives you so many ways to share your presentation to meet the needs of your audience, even to a remote viewer. Thank you for watching.